Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of extraordinary and beautifully looking boutique made designer customized saree. It's been created with a simple patchwork which I'm going to show you now. These are exclusively designed patterns. I hope sharing of an idea is useful to you all. Make a fold of a sheet of paper, horizontal fold one and vertically fold one like this, and exactly in the center we need to give the markings something like this. Once we unfold this, we'll get the flower shape. So now I'd be cutting on this marked shape. These are uniquely designed patterns which is really expensive if this type of designing has to be done outside, but believe it or not, you can create this so simple putting some of your efforts and time. Now I'll be unfolding this sheet of paper and you can clearly see here the flower. So using this as the reference, we can create the flower patterns. This to get you an idea I have done on the paper, but you can also directly do this on the fabric, transforming this outlining on the fabric like this and give the cutting on that marked shape. This is one way of doing, or else you can directly give the fold like horizontally, now vertically on this fold give the markings of that shape and give the cut like how I've shown for the paper. Fold it at a time some 10 to 15, give the marking like this and cut on the marked shape so that your work will be done so easily. This I am showing to make you understand easily so that you can try this for the designing of the necklines also, or else you can turn your old blouses designing necklines or overall designing like the patchwork whatnot. If you know how to create these designer patterns, you can try for the designing of any types of plain garments or your plain sarees. So here I cut in 3 different sizes of the same flower, and now I'd be overlapping like this. To give the center stitch, I'd be using here green and yellow color anchor threads. Use the contrasted colors. This is to create the pollen in the center of the flowers. So here we have to give the French knot for creating the pollen. It's a single French knot using the 12 strands of thread I'd be creating here. This way we'll join 3 patches together at a time. That means the flower patches. A small circle is being creating with the French knots like this, leaving exactly in the center. The same way I would be creating one more line. This is how it looks. Now exactly in the center I would be using 12 strands of yellow color anchor thread. This is 3 I would be stitching here with the French knots. This way we have to join the patches all around the borders of the sarees to highlight. Once the flower is completed, this is how it looks. These are custom made designer patterns. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications whenever I upload without missing it.